after here, and today I still can't believe I haven't made a video about this yet, but this is the waterfall. Actually, this isn't the right sign for it. So yeah, this is actually the waterfall that is very close to my house, and we've been here several times. Well, I have, and I've actually never recorded this before, so I just thought it would be a great idea to kind of get this on the camera for you guys, because you know, it's been here forever. In here is a rock that I want to scale for you guys really quickly, and this kind of, if I'm correct, this will give you guys a really good point, like it'll give you a really good viewpoint on how big this place is. So I'm gonna, right now I am in the Enchanted Woods. I want to be above it. So all right, so I'm going to, as soon as I get to the top of this, wait, is this seriously it? Oh no, this isn't even the right rock. And I climbed all the way up here. Oh man, that pisses me off. Okay, we're going back down, and we are just going to climb. We are just going to, first we need to go back down here. So yes, this is it. This, look at the size of this beast. So this is a giant boulder, and we're just gonna climb this. That's the way it be sometimes. So we still got a little ways to go. You can already see how far up we are. And the little cave right there, a little crack hideout. Okay, just kidding, this ain't no crack hideout. Who you think it is? So we are just going to stand on the edge here and look. Oh, just kidding. I'm sorry if you guys are just a little afraid of heights, but that's kind of what this video is about. It's about oh, yep, look at all those people down there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. We be literally, no, we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Sorry, we're not there yet. We need to scale this rock, and now we literally be on top of the world right now, guys. You already know who it is, boy. Look at this. Look at this. You know, your boy be sitting pretty up here. Look at this. That's great. It's awesome. Tons of people down there right now because they all love this place. There's little rock stairs too. I'm gonna take a photo of me really quickly, then I'm gonna get right back to the action. Alright, so now we are going to go back down, and like I was saying before, guys, so up here is, you can just see the view. And look, those are the stairs I was telling you guys about. They thought of everything. And okay, so we're gonna go that way, so through that trail, and we just need to be just a little bit careful here. A smidgen. All right, so I just need to get by you really quickly. Yeah. There's several ways you could do this. Actually, I'm just gonna drop here. This isn't actually the way I want to go about visiting the waterfall. So we're gonna go back here, guys. So kind of what the plan is here today is I'm just going to stroll down to the waterfall and I'm gonna give you guys plenty of shots. The waterfall sign. How much do you guys think it would help me my channel out if I made an official Rune Rifter Instagram? They're legit doing the exact same thing I just did. Yeah, if you guys think it would help my channel out at all, then you know, I'd love to hear your guys' suggestions on what do you think I could do with it. If not, then that's cool too. Oh, it's a birdhouse right up there. I smell. You wanna know what I smell, guys? I smell sunscreen, just in the air. I'm not wearing it right now. Tons of people are wearing it. I mean, you'd bet, right? Because the weather today is really nice. Oh, here it is. There's the water. So there's the water down there. And actually, I mean, if we want to, we can go down that way. But I prefer, you can go around this way. You can see more of the waterfall. There is a sign with everything scratched off. There's more of the waterfall. And the waterfall is huge. It expands throughout this entire nature preserve. And this is actually connected to the Peñasquitos Creek. So that is kind of how it be. So we could go down there real quickly, guys, and I can kind of show you what is up. So if I just, again, these are really nice rocky stairs. Oh, people have their puppies down here too. That's awesome. What it do? I'm going to scale this. Whoop. And there's water, 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 and just people everywhere. There is just everywhere. This is a little cave right here. And yeah, there's just it's just water everywhere. There's the waterfall happens over there. You guys can see it. So what we are going to do, I'm gonna first find a place to take a drink, cause what better place to be to crack open a cold one with the boys. I'm gonna be real with you for a moment. So if I climb too much around here, I don't wanna drop my phone in. So there's gonna be some parts, unfortunately, that I'm gonna have to leave out because I'm not recording during them. So, sorry, but you guys already saw almost half the adventure already. I just need to show you guys the rest of this place and we'll be done. I suppose we could just climb back up here, so that. Guys. Someone abandoned their bikes. Guys, we're not alone here. Guys, I thought we were alone here, guys. So there's here's like, there's some big rock formations up here. And children are legitimately swimming. I climb around these rocks a lot, especially that one right there. And you know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to just climb over there, and that's where I should have my drink. Yeah, let's do it real quick, guys. So I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna be on that rock, hopefully. If not, there are some compromises. So this is just more of the water. Here it's falling down right there, right through there. There's a little cave right there, and then it goes over there. Just want to get plenty of shots. Nothing wrong with that, right? All right, so while I couldn't make it onto that rock, I feel like it's not worth risking when you have a phone with you. I'm going to, you know, this is going to be the spot. And now we enjoy. Nice view. You know, I gotta say, this is one of the most successful hikes I've ever had, because I get to spend it with you guys. In the comments below, you can tell me what's your favorite national park to visit, what's your favorite national monument to visit, or just where you like to wind down. This is one of my faves, absolutely. There's so much scenery, like there's so many plants, so many rocks, so many caves, and much water. Look at that. Look at that mountain. You know, I'm just chilling, man. What'd it do? It's a pretty comfy rock, if I do say so myself. Pretty soon I'm going to show you guys where my favorite spot in this waterfall is. We were once over there. That was the rock I wanted to go on. That one. And now we're on the other side. But once we're done here, we're gonna go in the water, all right? These are both for casual wear and swim. Pretty soon we're gonna go back down there and we're gonna see what's up. And that was it. All right, so I'm just gonna put this away and we're gonna get it. So guys, remember when I said there are caves here? This is one of them. It goes much deeper than this, except I can't go that deep. Their rodents are supposed to go in there and stuff like that. And that is a little bottle of whatever the frick. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not that kind of guy. And this is the outside. And this is the inside. And this is me facing the outside. Yes, you already know. And this is me facing the inside. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so what I can do is climb this with the phone in my hand. This is easy sauce. I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna climb back up there. And we're just gonna see where oh, so over there where all those people are, that is my favorite place to swim. That should be no problem. Let's do this, yeah. You're too slow. Come on, step it up. Yep. Okay. So around there, especially near the tip there, is where I like to swim. Oh, look at the puppy. That's a cute doggo right there. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, there's another little doggo. What do you know? Okay, it's over there. So we already found it, guys. These are just some cool looking rock formations while we wait. Not sure what's going on there. Probably some stuff I'll never have. Some more interesting looking rocks. That interesting looking rock, which actually wouldn't be a bad idea to climb. Or I could just go down here, guys. What do you think? Oh, up the rock. I'm so glad you guys agree with me. I am so glad we come to a freaking understanding. Do you know how bad it would be if I were to drop this phone? Bad. Very effing bad. So, you know what? That would be just the craziest thing if I were to just pause right now. But then, suddenly, the other side of me ends up saying, you know what? Robbie, I think you should just try to get it in one go. You know? You know? Wouldn't that be special? Or maybe, nah, just follow up with what I said. Just placing my foot on a slippery rock will do just fine under these circumstances. Holy crap, guys, I'm so happy that made it. Should I? Well, we already made our decision, and the answer may surprise you, but it is yes! I should. And if I were to accidentally lose grip of my phone, I would just throw it onto this rock. There's more of a lake down there. More people like hanging out over there though, rather than over here. More popular, less popular. So I'm just gonna take my shoes off up here and we are gonna get it. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. If you guys think I'm joking, Rob, you're not actually gonna go in that. Yes, I am. I'm gonna leave my stuff up here and then we're just gonna cheese it, you know? We're just gonna cheese it. And then when we're done, we're just gonna wait for my feet to dry off. Is grass green, they say? Is water wet? Well, let me tell you something, fool. I can tell you for a fact if river water's wet. All right, man? Let's get something straight right now, boy. Devolves. These rocks are pretty hot. The rock is hot. So our plan is to go right there, which should be easy. Check it out. It's easy. Dr. Love. I probably should have put my hat up there, but it's cool. Oh, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Sorry, I just thought I'd subject you guys to my gorgeous singing. You know, YOLO, am I right? Or am I right? Don't answer that, you know I'm right. I am hanging on to my phone so damn tight that my hand, like, is almost numb. My hand is almost completely numb. And I'm trembling. Alright guys, I gotta admit, I'm shaking. I'm shaking right now. I can feel it. I can feel it building up. Because I know for a fact that if I were to mess this up, I would probably go to heck. If you don't know what that means, well, just Urban Dictionary it. No, just kidding. No, thank you, Urban Dictionary. Hallelujah. 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 Look at how deep this water is. Holy crap! What the hell? Look at this. Just kidding. Yo! What? You ain't seen Hipple. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this boy. Just got his free taco from Taco Bell. Whoa. A full panoramic. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm enjoying this quarantine. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa! I don't want to jinx it though. I'm gonna lay on this rock, this beautiful rock, and I am just going to think about my life! Dang, dude. Who pissed you off, bruh? I am slowly climbing down, so that's why I'm not... Ow, it feels like something cut my foot. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, something just cut my foot off. Hallelujah. So we're just gonna do more walking through this wall. Ooh! I'm stepping on some fluffy seaweed or some fluffy river kelp or whatever the fook it is. Whatever the fook it is, mate. Yeah, we're still walking. We are still walking through these waters. It's just so cool. I don't know, man. It's just really dang cool. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey! Look at this. Ow, my foot feels awful standing on this rock. Oh, but there's a bunch of tiny rocks under here. Let me see if I can get you some. Yo, foo, you like rocks? Foo. Fooly foo. Fooly boo. If my hat falls in this water, it's done. I'll still wear it because, you know, that just means it's been through a little bit more in its life, you know? It's seen more, it's experienced more. I don't want a hat that hasn't, you know? You feel me? Okay. Oh, geez. I am barefoot, and these are pretty dang sharp. But it's fine, you know? I'm not complaining. What if I like sharp things on my feet? Huh? Who are you to judge? Ooh, look at you. Oh, look at that puppy. That's a I don't want to step right into that kelp, but I'm afraid that is just something that... No, I'm sorry, that feels too gross. No, no, no. To be honest, this is really fun, but also I am in a constant state of adrenaline. I'm in a constant state of just watch out. Here we have a shoe floating in the water. Everyone type F in chat. Oh, geez. Oh, oh, whoa, oh. Hey, what'd I tell you guys? I can swim in them too. You see? It's not bad. I see you, that's fresh. See the, man, look at that dog. That's a fluffy boy. That's a fluffy boy. That's one fluffy boy. Damn. I'm like afraid to drop my phone. Some guy's completely in the water. That's awesome. Oh my god, oh god, I am sinking in the sand. Guys, I am sinking in the sand. I am legit sinking in the sand. It ain't no ordinary sink. It is like, it is a legit sink in the sand. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the way it be sometimes, fam. Hey, what it do? Oh my god. Oh my god. This goes deep. Oh, and I just keep sinking, don't I? I just keep sinking, don't I? Oh, but if I stand on this rock, it ain't so deep. It ain't so deep after all. Hoo-ha, the whole world works. But if I step on these, then I won't be steep. It won't be. Oh Lord! Oh, oh my God! Oh Lord! Oh my God! Okay, I gotta take it easy, because if I don't, I'm gonna drop this phone. Room Rifter, can't you buy like 4 more of them? Shut up. Shut up. Now's not the time for F-boy jokes. Oh, oh, it's Saturday night. Oh. Oh. Ooh. 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 Oh man, these are sharp. Oh man, this is why you don't go to Disney World. Oh damn. This is why we can't have nice things. Dang it. Because you don't go to Disney World. Okay. Okay, it's fine. We're good. It's fine. It is honestly so fine, guys. It is so good. Oh, don't make a meme out of that face. If you make an Ahiago face meme out of that, you are no longer welcome on my channel. An Ahiago face, or however you say that. Oh, there, I did it again for no price. Are you kids happy? If you're not happy, please. Oh, holy. I'm not very good at climbing when I have bare feet. When I have bare feet, that makes climbing really difficult. We're fine though. We are fine. Look at how close we are to our stuff. We're fine, dude. We're fine. Get over it, dude. We're fine. Oh, God. We are legit fine. Oh. We are back. We are back. We are back. That was honestly really fun. I'm gonna go swimming in there, like legit swimming when we're done. But you already saw me get drenched for YouTube. See you guys later. Stay awesome, Rifters. Peace out, guys. Today was fun.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change.